Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital finance. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from your Coinbase account to your bank in 2025. If you've got Bitcoin sitting in Coinbase and you're ready to cash it out, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Why do this? Well, with Bitcoin's value fluctuating, turning it into cash can help you manage your finances more securely. First things first, make sure your Coinbase account is fully verified. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Log in to your Coinbase app or website using your two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio section and locate your Bitcoin balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover any transaction fees. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion and Coinbase's policies in 2025. Next, it's time to sell your Bitcoin. Go to the Trade or Sell tab, select Bitcoin, and choose to sell it for your local currency, like USD. Enter the amount you want to convert, review the details, and confirm the transaction. This step converts your crypto into fiat money right in your Coinbase wallet. Now, for the transfer. Navigate to the Accounts or Withdraw section. Select your fiat currency balance and choose the option to withdraw to your linked bank account. You'll need to have your bank details already added. If not, go ahead and link it now. Enter the amount, review for any withdrawal fees, which might be around 1 to 2% in 2025, and hit Confirm. Processing times can take 1 to 5 business days, so be patient. One quick tip: always monitor your transactions and enable alerts for security. In 2025, with evolving regulations, double-check Coinbase's Help Center for any updates on taxes or limits. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred your Bitcoin to your bank. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Remember, the crypto world moves fast, so stay informed and trade smart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.